dolphin watching in Tenerife is an absolute must. But with so many options to choose from, finding the right boat is key to a fantastic experience. Let me introduce you to Freebird, that sets sail from Puerto Colón. This big catamaran can accommodate many people, making it more stable on the waves. You'll feel the ocean's rhythm in a much gentler way compared to smaller boats. Freebird is especially amazing on sunny days. With 18 double sunbeds available, that's 36 lucky people who can soak up in the sun in style. Here's what you need to know. Getting a sunbed is first come, first served, so make sure you're at the front of the queue when boarding. While you're all excited looking for a flipper and taking pictures of the whales swimming next to the boat, the guide on board will share some interesting information in different languages. There's a bar on board with soft drinks, beer and wine, all for free. A buffet will be offered on the 4.5-hour trip, while a snack is served on the 3-hour trip.
Create unforgettable experiences at a discount. Book your tickets and combos at thetenerifechannel.com.
So, what's the difference? On the 4.5-hour trip, you will go all the way to Los Gigantes, where you will get the chance to take a plunge. And on the 3-hour boat, you can have a refreshing swim past the Costa de Ge area. For the little ones, however, a shorter trip might be more fun. On a 3 or a 4.5-hour journey, you can also enjoy the sun, some great music and the landscape passing by, although younger kids might find it less exciting. Let me tell you, you will definitely get the boat vibe and a great holiday experience. Don't forget to bring towels, a camera and sunscreen. And remember that even when it's cloudy, you can still get burned and end up looking like a lobster. If you tend to get seasick on boats, we recommend you bring those magic pills too. Don't forget to bring your own mask and snorkel if you enjoy using them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one!